It's a bridge on the move, creeping ever so methodically,
millimetre by millimetre.
from one side to the other.
These jobs don't come around all the time.
In tech speak, it's called launching.
The word launch, when I think of that, I'm thinking of NASA and going into space.
It's felt like that at times.
Complicated as all hell.
Yeah, very complicated, very complicated.
Which, with a little bit of poetic licence, makes this 210-metre spanning of the Tamaki River one giant leap for engineering kind.
Pretty innovative engineering, pretty exciting to be part of it.
And none more enthusiastic than Simone Myberg. She's in charge of the assembly of the bridge superstructure and the launch sequence.
Okay, cool. Let me know if it drops below that.
At the age of 28, and just 4 years out of university.
Big responsibility. How do you deal with the pressure?
I think you accept this responsibility because you care about it, and then you just kind of get on with it. I don't know. That's just, you just kind of get on with it.
So, how does it work? Well, this is the last of 4 launches over the last 8 months, with the bridge being pulled across the water using a system of hydraulic jacks and steel cable. 2 jacks towards the front do the pulling, while the pair at the rear act as a brake, moderating the movement so the bridge doesn't roll off on its own.
If you imagine I tie a string around you, you run away with all your force and your resistance, and I'm still holding on to that string. As I let it out slowly, that's what we're doing with the bridge. We're slowly letting it out, letting it run under its own load.
I think you're now understating it. Is this the sort of thing that wakes you up in the middle of the night?
Not gonna lie, I've definitely woken up a few times and thought, oh no, have I done this? Or there's something else I need to check.
That sounds like physics equations at 3 in the morning.
It definitely does. There's definitely a lot of maths going on at 3 in the morning.
It's hard to believe that someone that young can be in charge of such a massive thing like this, but commitment and dedication is remarkable.
We've got a number of young engineers within the company, and you see them grow from project to project. And experience and confidence, it's great.
The exacting movements attracting plenty of sticky beaks, some of them mighty knowledgeable.
I think it's incredible, and it moves about this far each time, then they tighten things up and then release it again.
You a foundation member of the Moving Bridge fan club?
No.
Another precision engineering feat, tiptoeing piece by piece over the Brenduin Hills from Northland, the 10 massive girders that make up the bridge.
After 9 hours, give us the good news. How far have we crawled?
20 metres today, which is what we're hoping for, so...
That's a win.
It's a win, we're very happy.
If the terminology is launch,
Yes.
when you get to the other side, that's touchdown.
Yes, it is, touchdown. That is it.
Big old day.
Big